Biggest Thai festival has come to London this weekend. Sat 30, Sun 31 August 10 a.m., 7 p.m. at Ealing Common. Highlight includes Thai cultural performance and Ladyboy show. 2 to raffle, you might win a round-trip flight ticket and 5 stars hotel. Screenshot the full program here. This is what we eat today. I really like the raw prawn papaya salad. I have it every year. Raw oysters with Thai sauce 3 for 10 IR. They are so fresh, from Pool and Big. Eclair is yummy. OMG, guys, you cannot miss this. Rincha Thai Cafe. Thai singer Z is also helping his friend serving. They are the best Thai tea soft serve ever. Thai tea in authentic format. We got mango sticky rice just before this long queue. Super delicious and just 8. You can find Thai grocery and artisan here too. Any Thai drink you could think of is here, including beer. This week might be the last week of summer. Send this to someone you want to bring. Follow London Foodie Expat to never miss out Thai events in London.